going on, everyone? Welcome back to Mr. Church Reviews. Today, we are reviewing this Bachmann Paxton. We're also going to have it up on the layout running. I've already gone ahead and snipped it open. So, let's get it out of the packaging, shall we? These blister packs are so hard. She is, or should I say he's out of his packaging. There's the Bachmann Paxton. There he is. Okay. Now I guess we will get him on to the layout. How about that? How does that sound, guys? Okay, let's get over here to the controls to get them running. There's the Bachmann Paxton up onto the track right there. Let me get him a little bit more run. There he is. Let's get him up onto the top track, shall we? Oh no, that control's not plugged in. Let me fix that. There he is, the Bachmann Paxton. Okay, guys, now it's time for the review. And I forgot to show the face. That is a really good Paxton looking face. If you have not seen Paxton, I would go ahead and go watch the show to see that face. And he also does have moving eyes. I just can't catch those on camera because it won't come out on my GoPro. Here's the back side of it. It looks pretty good on the back. And it also looks pretty good on the sides. And I just love that face. Like I said. Also has those nice little ladders over there on the side. With those two. So, and I also like the side rods in action. Those are really cool when they're moving. And the paint work on it is really Paxton's good in paint work. The top is how it is in the show. And like you can't see the horn because it's built into them on the show anyway. So yeah. Overall, what do I give it? I give it a 12 out of 12. So, That's a pretty good rating. That's a pretty good rating. And I think you'll like this video. Smash that like button. Turn on post notifications. And smack that like button in the face. Smash that subscribe button in the face. Catch you on the next video. Peace.